Daniela, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do the water TikTok trend, which is a trend that Charli D'Amelio has done like not long ago, like about 1 day ago or 2, and everyone's doing it lately. So I decided to just make a tutorial on it, but before we get started, it would be amazing if you could just subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go with the first move. So Charli, at the beginning, she goes like this, but many people don't do it, so you can choose if you want to do it at the beginning or not, because only Charli does it. So yeah, we're gonna go 1, 2, and then we're gonna go 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And now for the main part. We are going to do like a circle with our hands, and then there's going to be a point here where we just stop. And then there goes like a slow-mo. So basically it's like this. 1, and then we're going to go slow, slow, slow. And then you're going to hear a few beats, and you're going to go 1, 2, clap. Okay, let's do it from the beginning, and we'll move on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, stop, slow-mo, 1, 2, clap. It's gonna be fast. It's gonna be like this. 1, 2, clap. Okay? Once again, 1, 2, clap. Perfect. Now after we clap, we're gonna do basically the move we do on almost every TikTok. Oh, whoa. And then we're gonna cross our arms. So once again, whoa, cross our arms. Perfect. Now our right hand goes over our head, and then it just goes down like that. And when it goes down, we're gonna do like a really small wave, just like that. And then after that, we're gonna do another slow-mo. So basically, we're just gonna do the dice roll, but really, really slow. If you don't know how to do the dice roll, I'm gonna explain really, really quick. Basically, we're gonna step back with our left leg, forward with our right leg. And for our hands, we're gonna straighten our left arm, and then our right one goes 1, 2. And now we're going to combine it all together, and it's going to look like this. 1. Perfect. Normally it's a little bit faster, but right now as we're doing like a slow-mo, it's going to be slower. Okay, so we're going to do it from the beginning, and then we'll move on because we don't have much left. So let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, stop, slow-mo. 1, 2, clap, and whoa, cross over our head, down, dice roll. So after the dice roll, this might surprise you, but we're gonna do the same thing we did before. We're gonna go 1, 2, clap, then we're gonna whoa, and then cross. And that's it, that's the whole dance. So we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. First we're gonna go slow so that we remember everything, and then we're gonna go fast, and that's it. So first let's go slow. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, step, slow-mo, slow-mo, 1, 2, clap, and whoa, cross over our head, down, dice roll, 1, 2, clap, and whoa, cross. Perfect, and now we're going to do the same thing, but faster. Let's do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, slow-mo, slow-mo. 1, 2, clap, and whoa, cross over our head, down, slow-mo. 1, 2, clap, and whoa, cross. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, comment wherever you want. Go follow me on TikTok, and I really hope to see you soon. Love you. Bye.